Hello, 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 it's cooking time! Welcome to the channel again. We are busy making the Baguio beans, and we are busy making the salmon, and we're gonna make some bratkartoffeln, which is just fried potatoes, but they're good. So I am going to start slicing the lemon and cutting out some butter for the salmon. I cut the lemon into slices so I can put it on the... I might need more lemon. Because the lemon adds a lot of yummy flavor to the salmon, I always think.
Wow. So ito guys yung aming dinner, special dinner.
Yeah, I'm cooking. It's very special.
Special kasi gawa niya.
Okay.
Wow, granted request. Too yummy.
So, we have a little bit of herb butter. The herb butter, we're going to put a little bit of that on there.
Is that enough?
It should be. You gotta remember it's gonna melt down and go into the bottom of the pan too, so you're gonna get it all in the bottom, which adds the flavor to everything. That should be enough. And
This is a skinless.
skinless. Yes, I noticed it was skinless when I was putting it in there.
Wow.
And I've actually asked for my mom to get some of the salmon herbs in Holland, because those taste better on here than...
Salmon herbs?
Yes, we have salmon herbs in Holland. Okay, and we'll add a little pepper since Madame likes pepper. A little bit of pepper. That should be good.
This is cooking vlog actually.
It is a cooking blog now, that's for sure. Hinako, Hinako. Actually, I've learned with salmon, less is more. I know that sounds weird, but less is more. Don't put too much stuff on it because it just takes away from the natural yummy taste of the salmon. So this is going in the oven. I gotta cook the potatoes, but this should take maybe about 20 minutes. Should be good. So we'll see. Hopefully the oven's nice and warm now. Baguio beans. Otherwise known as green beans for the rest of the world. And this is the bratkartoffeln. Pan-fried potatoes. Baguio beans now. I think those are done.
So busy yung ating cook for tonight.
Check one more piece.
And good na?
They're good now. So the potatoes, can you see that?
Come on. Wow.
Oh, that looks good.
Ooh, baked
that looks good.
salmon.
So-
Ito na guys, yung aming dinner. Yung salmon, baked salmon ng aking asawa. Special salmon. Ayan, siya yung nag-bake niyan. Pana natin. Walang masabi.
Mm.
Masarap. Happy tummy. For sure. And, wala kaming rice. Kasi instead of rice,
The potatoes.
potatoes. Meron kaming potatoes.
This is healthy.
Heaven. Very healthy.
So see, wives, even your husbands can cook.
Special to kasi siya yung nag-prepare, siya yung nag-bake, ako yung nag-request.
But if they wouldn't have had the salmon, we would have gone and got the other fish. Because I enjoyed that too.
Craving ka.
We can go potatoes.
Good.
But you don't like the salmon, do you?
No. Ayoko guys ng salmon. Ayoko talaga ng salmon. Ewan ko ba? I hate salmon.
Good for the thumbnail. I hate salmon.
Diba? Ang swerte ko. Guwapo na, marunong pang magluto. Diba? And then I'm so lucky. You're not only guwapo, but you know how to cook, bake.
Yeah, you like my cookies.
Are you enjoying?
I told you the salmon will be fine with that little butter. Because less is more. The salmon tastes wonderful.
Tingnan nyo naman yung aking salmon. Wow! And my patatas. First time ko nitong makatikim, pero masarap siya. Dito lang ako nakatikim sa Europe ng klase ng potatoes na binibake, tsaka yung potatoes na na pang breakfast. Kasi usually, sa Pilipinas yung potatoes pang ano lang siya, pang ulam lang, pang adobo, menudo, afritada, kaldereta, pang halo lang sa ganun. Dito iba-iba. Wow! Uy! Wala, ubos na!
I know what's important, and it's the food that's important.
Tsaka yung Baguio beans, ganyan lang yung luto niya. Pinapakuluan lang sa water. Ayan na.
Too big. Too big.
Tapos ako ng isang araw yung Baguio beans ko, ginisa ko sa baboy. Pero olive oil yung gamit ko. Kumain naman siya. Yummy.
Happy, healthy tummy. Done na. Do you need some help?
No.
Oh. I think she's gonna need some help. What do you guys say?
I don't need help.
Yeah, you like fish. You're a fishy person. And I like fish too, but I have more of a problem.
Oh? What?
You know this. You make fun of me then.
What? Grabe, 7:30 na pala.
Almost. Don't rush. It's okay.
Pero maliwanag pa sa labas. Actually, alam niyo ba, meron tayong trivia. Alam niyo guys, start today, March 20. Tama ba ako? Today's March 20?
Uh-oh.
Now, today's March 20, Saturday. Today is the official start of
Spring.
Ayan.
The hills are alive.
Kaya ayan kung mapapansin nyo, mapapansin, sabihin ko na lang sa inyo, sa labas, maliwanag pa. Dati nung winter, for 30
years.
Dati nang, ano ba, nadidistract ako. Nung December, nung winter, 4:30 pa lang ng hapon, grabe, dark na sa labas.
Yes, but now we're going to
Madilim
summer.
na. Pero ngayon, tingnan nyo, 7:30 na. Mag-7:30 na. Maliwanag pa.
Well, when we were cooking, I said, look at how beautiful the sunset is.
Grabe yung climate change.
No. Cuckoo in the cabeza, don't say that. This is normal for here.
This is not normal for me.
No, well, it's not climate change, it's a Sawako change. Location is Sawako change.
Ayun, nagbago na nga yung oras ng sunrise, sunset dito. Pagdating ko dito, sunset, mga 4:30, 5, 6. Ngayon, magsa 7:30 na maliwanag pa sa labas. Pagkatapos namin kumain, manunod na lang kami ng Netflix, ng movie, ganun siguro.
Put this one away. See, sunrise tomorrow morning, if you can see it, is at 6:32. And tomorrow sunset will be at 6:43 if you can read it. Yeah, it just focused, 6:43. So it's getting later.
Tsaka alam niyo guys, nung pagdating ko dito, my first 2 or 3 months dito, siya, yung sunset, ay yung sunrise, 8:30.
Yeah, late.
8:30 ng umaga, madilim pa. Grabe. Kaya nakaka-depress, nakakalungkot, nakaka-anxiety. Pero ngayon medyo okay na. Kasi na siya, 6:30 na yung sunset, ay yung sunrise. So medyo maliwanag na. Gusto ko yun.
Where did she put it? As my grandfather used to say, you'd squish it under the bottom of the table. That's where she was hiding it. That was his joke. He loved doing that. He's all, where did you put your food? Is it under the table? And then he'd look on the bottom of the table to see if we'd squish it up against the bottom.
I'm good tonight kasi kumain ako ng fish.
Instead of rice.
Yeah. Meron kaming rice. Meron pa kaming tirang rice kahapon. Actually, yung rice dito hindi siya nasisira kasi cold weather. So, kahit mag-stay lang sa labas, hindi sa loob ng ref, okay siya for the next few days. Siya. Ayun nga. Kinain ko sa akin salmon, lang. Baggy beans and potatoes, no rice. So, I'm good.
Happy? Okay, we can finish filming now. She's filled her tummy. So we'll say goodbye. No.
So, ito yung aming dinner. Gawa niya yung big salmon.
No.
Sarap. Ito yung
I think she could eat another piece. I really do.
Tomorrow.
I know, but I bet you if you were to put it on her plate, she'd probably eat it.
Yun yung kagandahan. Pag yung asawa mo marunong magluto, tsaka pag mahal na mahal ka. Kasi
Oh yeah, kita. So very sobra.
Sinusunod yung request mo.
Uy. Yeah, you did request this, didn't you?
No.
Yeah, you did. 2 days ago or last night already.
Ayan. Then, nung isang gabi, sabi ko sa kanya, tinatanong ko sa kanya, sabi ko, what we gonna have for weekend? Sabi niya, something special daw. How about burgers?
Homemade, because I make really good homemade burgers.
No. Kasi naman nung mga nakaraang araw pa na burgers na kami McDonald's.
Yeah, no. You can't compare homemade burgers to McDonald's.
Yeah, you can't.
It's like comparing homemade fried chicken to Jollibee's chicken. Jollibee's chicken is good. It tastes really, really good. But if Madame makes her homemade fried chicken at home, man, you almost eat your fingers up with it. It's that good.
Yeah.
So it's the same deal. I mean, yes, we would have had hamburgers 3 times that week, but you can't compare homemade hamburgers to homemade off the barbecue. Would have been off the barbecue with bacon, with good cheese, with tomato, with onion, with lettuce. All these yummy things we could have put on there exactly how we wanted it.
Sarap ng sarap ng burger niya, grabe.
They're way better than the Holy Cow burgers. They're way better than McDonald's. Like, if you have McDonald's this here, homemade burgers are like out of the screen.
Pero sabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko ng something healthy. Sabi ko, salmon, Chuik! So, ayun, sinunod niya yung aking salmon. Salmon yung nagwagi.
Ding, 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 ding.
Salmon yung nandito na, oh. Instead, baby. Baby salmon.
Baby salmon?
Wala pang baby.
How many months, baby salmon?
1 day.
1 day, baby salmon.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming pasalmon. Sa pasalmon ng aking bebe. Yummy! Meron pa kaming natirang baggy beans. Siya sa kitchen. Yung tira naming salmon for tomorrow. Inaayos niya yung mga hinihingi ko. Kung ano yung mga nire-request ko. Sinusunod niya. Pag kaya niyang ibigay, binibigay sa akin.
See?
Ganun niya ako kamahal.
The salmon for tomorrow.
Ayan yung salmon na tira namin for tomorrow. Ayan.
Mañana. 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 It's soon enough for me. Oba,
So,
oba.
ayan guys. So, sana mag-enjoy kayo for today. And thank you for watching.
Yes.
And thank you for my bebe, for my salmon. Ayan. Happy tummy, happy
Wife. Which means I'm happy too, because a happy wife, happy life. Ta-da! I think I've said that already a few times today.
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding.
So, thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.
And hit the bell for notifications so you get all the newest content.
Boo! Yay! Thank you again, and good night for now.
Night na.
Good morning, good afternoon, or whatever.
Yes, hello, goodbye.
Hello, goodbye. So, bye-bye na guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.